Hello, have you heard of people-to-people lending? Whether you have or have not, I'd like to draw your attention to bmz.com, where we'll talk about the Heroes Group and America's first people-to-people lending community, Prosper. Ordinary people looking to borrow money, borrowing money from ordinary regular people who'd like to lend money. This is all done online through the Prosper website. We'll go over to the Prosper website for a moment and we'll look at the loan listings. These are some of the listings that have been placed. Each one of these pictures and listings is done by an individual potential borrower who would like to borrow some money. We'll click on one of them briefly. We'll see that this young lady would like to borrow $8,500 at 17%. She wants to pay off some credit cards and some student loans. She lives in Indiana. She has a listing that expires in 1 day and 20 hours. She's 42% funded right now. Her credit profile shows that she's a C credit grade. Prosper uses a credit grading system based upon someone's actual credit score. She has a 50% debt to income ratio. As a registered lender, you'll have far more information on her credit profile so you can make an informed decision as to whether or not you'd like to lend money to this individual. You'll be able to see any delinquents that she has, her employment status, income range, etc. She'll have a description portion of her loan. She'll also have any endorsements may be up there. And this is the bidding history. Each one of these individuals you see on the left is a lender, and this is how much they've decided to lend to her. As you can see, the lowest amount is $50. One could, if they wished, lend her the entire $8,500, but most of the lenders do the intelligent thing, which is diversification. If you're going to lend out $1,000, do it to a whole bunch of different people. Going back to the BMZ website, any kind of promotions that are going on will always be on the BMZ homepage. Right now they do have a special offer going on as I make this video, and when you click on it, you will find that you will get a $25 you'll get a $25 back after you fund your first loan. So you can get in on this new opportunity for little as $25, and I think it's really, we'll go back and see some of the advantages for the lenders and the borrowers, but really giving you a good opportunity to play the credit card company who's charging 25-30% interest. And there's a lot of borrowers out there who'd rather pay you 22% than pay Wachovia, Bank of America, Citibank, 29% interest. So that's kind of where you're filling the gap. As for the borrowers, if you're going to borrow and you're not familiar with Prosper, you really do want to join a group. You can go on the Prosper website and look at why you want to join a group, but then come back over to bmz.com and consider joining the Heroes Group. The testimonials will speak a lot. You'll see that we've been able to help out some individuals that have been with other groups or no group at all who haven't done well, and after they join the Heroes Group. Heroes Group really takes its time and works with the individuals and explains and answers all their questions and give them a lot of tips and advice that they may not get elsewhere on how to work well through Prosper and making sure that, number one, you get a loan, but number two, you get a loan at a really good rate. So if you've liked what you heard and are interested, please visit bmz.com. You can learn more about Prosper, become a lender, or become a borrower. Click on the Contact Us if you have questions. Also click on the links. I've got a free ebook out there for any potential lender who wants to learn even more. There's some information on there that you won't find on the Prosper website, and some tools and tricks that will help you along the way. So if you do want to sign up, please make sure you do it through bmz.com. Thank you for your time.